In this video, I will discuss how ordinary citizens can actively engage in this project and what return on investment they can expect from their participation. Also, what return on investment those of you can expect if solar is not an option. Incremental advances in existing technology will provide the tangible benefits we seek in the short term, requiring only modest investments. When everyday people come together, it poses the most significant challenge to those corporations that believe they have us at their mercy. At the moment, our most pressing need is fundraising. If you missed my first video and have no idea what I'm talking about fundraising for, I will link my first video in the description. I would never request financial support from others without first committing my own resources, which is why I invested my own money immediately. A friend inquired about the benefits for those contributing, and initially I found the question unclear. However, he graciously rephrased it, asking for a return on investment for donors. I believe that no single individual should contribute a more substantial amount of money than $250. The real change will stem from your small contributions, combined with those of the 2 friends you invite, followed by the 4 they bring in and the 8 after that, creating a ripple effect. The collective awareness and cooperation of everyday people holds far greater value than the monetary contributions themselves. Consider this. The average solar-only installation costs around $25,000 to $30,000, while the backup battery typically starts around $12,000, providing less than a day's worth of power. And as I demonstrated in the first video, if you go solar-only, the solar buyback program in our state is a joke. To achieve a meaningful amount of battery storage, enough to sustain several days without sunshine, you could be looking at an additional $25,000 to $35,000. Our goal is to reduce the total cost of a comprehensive solar system with significant storage, allowing you to completely disconnect from the utility company, to between $25,000 to $30,000. Therefore, your $250 investment could lead up to $30,000 in savings, all without relying on taxpayer money for so-called incentives. Plus, think about the empowerment that comes from taking a stand against the system. What if solar isn't a viable option for you? In some states, microproducers operate alongside major utilities. By significantly diminishing the power and influence of Eversource and PURA, we could pave the way for more microproducers or cooperatives to emerge, providing power to those for whom solar isn't feasible. Therefore, the return on investment isn't limited to those who can install panels on their rooftops. Join me in standing up against Eversource, against PURA, and the wasteful spending of our tax dollars. Contribute today and invite your 2 closest friends and neighbors to get involved right away.